Hey there, skincare enthusiasts! Are you ready to unlock the secrets to achieving that coveted glass skin look? You know, the kind of skin that's so smooth, clear, and luminous that it almost looks like you're glowing from within? It started as an ancient Korean herbal remedy, but it's now a modern-day trend. You don't have to book a flight to Korea because today we're diving deep into the ultimate skincare routine for glass skin in just 5 simple steps. Step 1. Cleanse like a pro. Cleansing is the MVP of any skincare routine. If you want to achieve that glass skin goodness, you've got to start with a clean slate. Look for a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser that won't leave your skin feeling like a dried-out sponge. Keep an eye out for hydrating ingredients like glycerin, ceramides, and the skincare superhero hyaluronic acid. You can make do with Vanacream's Gentle Facial Cleanser or Cetaphil's 16-ounce Gentle Skin Cleanser. Now, let's talk about double cleansing, the secret weapon of glass skin gurus everywhere. It's like giving your face a spa day, but in the comfort of your own bathroom. Start with an oil-based cleanser like Mara Natural Cleansing Oil to melt away all that makeup, sunscreen, and daily grime. Then, follow up with a water-based cleanser to get your skin squeaky clean, but not too squeaky. We don't want to strip away all those natural oils. Fun fact, did you know that the concept of double cleansing originated in Japan? It's been a staple in Japanese skincare routines since the 14th century, when geishas used oil-based cleansers to remove their heavy makeup. Talk about a tried-and-true technique. Step 2. Tone it up. All right, now that your skin is clean and fresh, it's time to tone things up. Toners are like a tall glass of water for your skin. They help to rebalance your skin's pH, prep it for the next steps in your routine, and give it an extra dose of hydration. Look for toners with ingredients like green tea, witch hazel, and rose water to soothe and calm your skin. Fresh Rose Deep Hydration Toner and Murad Clarifying Toner are among the best toners with these ingredients. Let's talk about the pH scale for a sec. It goes from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Your skin's natural pH is slightly acidic, around 5.5, so using a toner can help keep it balanced and happy. It's like Goldilocks and the 3 Bears. You don't want your skin's pH to be too high or too low, but just right. Now, if you really want to level up your toner game, try using a cotton pad to gently sweep the toner across your face and neck. It's like giving your skin a mini massage, and who doesn't love a good spa moment? Plus, it helps to remove any last traces of dirt and oil that your cleanser might have missed. Step 3. Treat yourself. Now that you've cleansed and toned your skin to perfection, it's time to take things to the next level with a serum or essence. These skincare superstars are like a shot of espresso for your face. They're packed with powerful ingredients that can help brighten, hydrate, and smooth your skin faster than you can say, glass skin. When it comes to achieving that coveted glow, look for serums with vitamin C, niacinamide, and, wait for it, snail mucin. Yes, you read that right. Snail slime is having a moment in the skincare world. It might sound a little icky, but this stuff is magic. Snail mucin is loaded with hydrating and anti-aging properties that can help plump up your skin and give you that dewy, youthful look. But what exactly is snail mucin, you ask? Well, it's the slimy secretion that snails produce to protect their delicate bodies as they slither around. This mucin is packed with glycoproteins, hyaluronic acid, and antimicrobial peptides that can do wonders for your skin. It's like nature's own little skincare lab. You don't have to start hunting for snails. You'll find it in products like COSRX, Advanced Snail 96, Mucin Power Essence, and Beauty of Joseon Revive Serum. Now, if you're not quite ready to jump on the Snail Mucin bandwagon, don't worry. There are plenty of other amazing ingredients to look for in your serums and essences. Vitamin C is a classic choice for brightening and evening out your skin tone, while niacinamide, a form of vitamin B3, can help reduce inflammation and strengthen your skin barrier. You can start with Skin-Sudicol CE Ferulic, but before you go slathering your face in serums and essences, remember that a little goes a long way. Start with just a pea-sized amount and work your way up if needed. You don't want to overdo it and end up with a face that's stickier than a toddler's hands after a lollipop. Did you know that snail mucin has been used in skincare since ancient times? Legend has it that back in the day, Chilean snail farmers noticed that their hands were super soft and youthful looking after handling the slimy creatures. And thus, a skincare trend was born. Step 4. Moisturize like a boss. Think of your moisturizer as the cherry on top of your skincare sundae. It locks in all the goodness from your previous steps and keeps your skin hydrated and plump. And when it comes to glass skin, hydration is key. Look for lightweight, gel-based formulas that won't clog your pores or leave you feeling greasy. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalane are your best friends here. They're like a tall glass of water for your skin, helping to attract and retain moisture for that plump, dewy look. Let's talk about hyaluronic acid for a sec. This stuff is like a magnet for moisture. It can hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, which means it's basically a hydration superhero. Plus, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin types. Talk about a win-win. Ceramides, on the other hand, are like the glue that holds your skin cells together. They help to strengthen your skin barrier and prevent moisture loss, which is key for maintaining that glass skin glow. Look for moisturizers with ceramides, especially if you have dry or sensitive skin. Now, if you really want to level up your moisturizer game, try using a facial oil before your moisturizer. Putting oil on your face might sound counterintuitive. Facial oils are packed with nourishing ingredients like antioxidants and fatty acids that can help keep your skin soft, supple, and glowing. Just a few drops will do the trick. You don't want to overdo it and end up looking like a greasy fry cook. If you have oily skin, you should try Tatcha, the water cream. For those with dry skin, Dr. Barbara Sturm Face Cream Rich will be for you. Fun fact, squalane, one of the most popular ingredients in facial oils, was originally derived from shark liver oil. But don't worry, these days, most squalane is plant-based and totally shark-friendly. It's derived from sources like olive oil and sugarcane, so you can get all the benefits without harming any sea creatures. Step 5. Protect and perfect. All right, skincare warriors? We've made it to the final step in our quest for glass skin, sun protection. Slathering on sunscreen might not feel as glamorous as applying a luxurious serum or essence, but this step is crucial. You see, all that hard work you've put into cleansing, toning, and moisturizing your skin can be undone in a flash if you are not protecting it from the sun's harmful rays. UV damage is like kryptonite for your skin. It can lead to everything from premature aging and dark spots to more serious issues like skin cancer. Yikes. But don't worry, protecting your skin from the sun doesn't have to be a chore. These days, there are tons of amazing sunscreens out there that feel lightweight, non-greasy, and totally invisible on your skin. Look for a broad spectrum SPF of at least 30, which means it will protect you from both UVA and UVB rays. Cetaphil Daily Oil-Free Facial Moisturizer with SPF 35 is up there among the best in the market. But if your skin is acne-prone, TZO2 non-tinted Facial Mineral Sunscreen SPF 40 might just save the day. Now, we know what you might be thinking, but I work indoors all day. Do I really need to wear sunscreen? The answer is a resounding yes. Even if you're not spending hours lounging on the beach, you're still exposed to UV rays through windows, computer screens, and even fluorescent lighting. Plus, if you are using any skincare products with active ingredients like retinol or AHAs, your skin can become more sensitive to the sun, making protection even more important. So, how often should you be applying sunscreen? The general rule of thumb is to apply it every morning as the last step in your skincare routine, and then reapply every 2 hours if you're spending time outdoors. And don't be stingy with the application. You should be using about a nickel-sized amount for your face and neck, and more if you're applying it to your body. So there you have it, folks. The ultimate 5-step skincare routine for achieving that coveted glass skin look. Just remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Stick with your routine, be patient, and before you know it, you will be glowing like a dewy dumpling. But wait, there's more. Don't forget that what you put in your body is just as important as what you put on your skin. Make sure you are drinking plenty of water, eating a balanced diet full of fruits and veggies, and getting enough sleep each night. Trust, your skin will thank you. Before you go, let us know in the comments below, what are your holy grail skincare products for achieving glass skin? We are always on the hunt for new goodies to add to our routine. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on those notifications so you never miss a beat. We have got plenty more skincare tips and tricks coming your way. Until next time, keep shining bright like the skincare superstar you are.